Hey guys, I'm KDB and welcome back to my channel.
Okay, I'm gonna try now.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Comment, like, and subscribe down below. Bye, sweeties.
Hey everyone, currently at the beach with all my friends, kind of just chilling. We just got out of the water and are actually heading out. It's a valid day and I was just at the chair.
Oh my god.
Say hi.
What's up? Oh my
Say
god.
hi to the vlog.
Yo, what's up, vlog? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know, guys. What's up?
That's Matt, that's Harry, that's Reggie, that's Jeremy.
Hey.
This is Amy. And this is Max up here. Here we have Max.
Good morning.
Casey. There's Grace. But yeah.
Oh,
It came all the way down when I was
Yo, what's good? What's up?
We're at Rockaway Beach.
Yes.
Yeah, we're at Rockaway
That is our
Beach,
location.
and we're all here as a family at the beach. We're
Family
going to get
thing.
Mars ice cream. I just want to say, we out here, we chilling, vibing, and you know, it's good vibes only. You know? Good vibes only, baby.
Good vibes only. Hey guys, so I'm currently at Panera Bread with my best friend, and we just got our food. It looks pretty good, so we're gonna dig in. So actually on our way to go mini golfing, and we're at like here, and we parked kind of far from where we have to actually go.
But it's okay, because
Yeah.
you know we're gonna exercise.
Yeah, we're gonna take the walk. It's a nice day, so yeah.
Where'd it go?
And that's the end of our golfing day. She thought the view was pretty, but I thought she was prettier. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll enjoy it, and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Love you.